Hey guys, this is Jason with Swan Vinyl Works here. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 19 to 21 Jetta rear badge inlay. Tools you're going to need for this install are, I use 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean it, or you can use a wax or grease-free cleaner, as well as a micro squeegee from our website, optional but also very helpful. And microfiber to clean it up, or whatever you feel like cleaning your badge with. To start off, we're going to clean. So, your template will look something like this. Easiest thing to do, I'm just going to start with the top. I'm going to stick one corner of it to my tucking tool. You just kind of carefully line it up. These are cut pretty much exactly to the inside of the badge, so just get it as far as you can in. This is the kind of fitment we're looking at here. Pretty nice. Then we'll take this. Same procedure. And just like that, it's done. This one's pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions. My contact info will be down below. You can check out all of our other products on my website, swanvinylworks.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.